All right, we're fixing to go out and check out the snowstorm of the century of the week in Bremen, Georgia. So this is how Georgia people do snow. And don't be alarmed at how crazy it is. Now remember, according to the Weather Channel, it started snowing 45 minutes ago, and we're going to get about 3 or 4 inches. So that's a lot for down here. Let's see let's see what we got. Get back, Josie girl. Well, I don't see any snow. The noise is the wind. So the Weather Channel said it's supposed to have been snowing for the last hour or so. I don't think that's snow. Is that white? Nope, nope, nope. That's just wet green. And a tree just fell. Fantastic. That was a big tree. Jeez. So, plenty of ice. This is going to be fantastic. I'm sure we won't lose power in the middle of the night. Yeah, so south of us is snow. North of us is a lot of snow. East of us is a lot of snow. And here it is just ice. This isn't even that good of snow. You can't really see, but that's just sheets of ice. Of course, the Weather Channel says it's snow, so it's obviously snow, and we're wrong. Probably going to be some, you can't see those limbs, but
wind and ice.
This is not good.
The roads are icy.
The roads are icy?
No, are not.
Oh, not yet. So rain and a little bit of freezing rain. Alright, yeah, it's 28 degrees and raining. I didn't know that was possible. Mother Nature sucks.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, yes, Mother Nature sucks because it is
You want her to land a tree on our house?
28 degrees and raining.
Oh.
Alright, well, that's the great Georgia snow. Snowstorm of the century, of the week. Oh. Alright, well, I'm going in.